If you want to draw or paint eyes, don't do this. Instead, look at how eyes are constructed. Eyes have these 2 points pulling away from each other. This simplification is best seen on anime eyes. Also, you need to look at the anatomy. Eyes are basically balls inside of this socket that forms a shape like this. You draw the eyes conforming to the ball and the socket shape. Also need to color while keeping in mind the socket shape and the ball. Coloring is best to use neutral tones, like this. And do a little color variation for the shading. Eyes have a lot of blood flowing to them, so you're gonna see a little bit of purple, a little bit of red, and all sorts of color variations. Also, don't draw the whites of the eyes white. I know this sounds wrong, but it's gonna make the eyes look like they glow in the dark. Instead, use an off-white color. I tend to use a purplish or bluish gray. Once you have the sketch and the base colors, you can go in and render as much as you want. This is just to prove a point, so I didn't go totally ham with the rendering on this one. When I paint, I normally add line art, I don't leave it just as a sketch. But you'll see later why I did this. Alright, enjoy what's left of this time lapse. See you in a second. For a more anime approach, you just basically simplify everything that I just said. Stylize however you like. Plus add line work. Anime tends to have much lighter colors, and see me using them right here. Also, anime has much brighter and saturated shadows. The easiest way to shade in this style is with a lasso tool and with some sort of blending tool. I'm doing that right here. As the final touch, I like to duplicate the line art and add a little bit of Gaussian blur. These are both styles I did together. Thanks for watching this video. Check out this one next. Like, subscribe, do all of that. Bye!